Hi, my name is Keith and I am the Cashback King, and thank you for taking the time to watch my review. Now, if you've been struggling online and would like to make $10,000 per month with my own internet marketing coach, and you'll be helped every step of the way until you reach $10,000 per month, then that will be the first link in the description below this video. Now back to the review. If you grab this product through my affiliate link, you're going to receive 12 awesome bonuses. Let's go over that before we get into the review. These are the 12 awesome bonuses that you'll get when you buy through my affiliate link. On top of that, there are some unannounced bonuses that you're going to get on top of when you buy the front end of this product. The vendor has some bonuses that you're going to be getting on the inside as well. Now remember, to clean out your cookies and your cache and your data before buying through my affiliate link in order to secure your 12 exclusive bonuses. Now, once again, if you're struggling online and you want to learn how to make $10,000 per month from my own internet marketing coach, then get instant access to this specialized training course. It's foolproof and it works. Plus, you'll get help every single step of the way until you hit $10,000 per month. Just click on the first link in the description below. Now, let's get into the review.
Attention marketing experts and business owners. We've got some exciting news for you. Your days of struggling are about to become a thing of the past. We understand the fierce competition that's prevailing in today's digital landscape, and staying ahead can feel like a daunting task, right? The endless cycle of conducting extensive market research and staying updated with trending niches can be draining. We're introducing something extraordinary that checks all the boxes. It's authentic, packed with invaluable information, and possesses the transformative potential to reshape the world. Stemming from a perennially popular and leading niche, this offering boasts the highest ROI value in the market. The benefits of this product are limitless, stretching on endlessly. And what makes this product special is that we're giving away this product with unrestricted private label rights. Yes, you read that right. This isn't just a product, it's a canvas of endless possibilities, and we're handing you the brushes. You can customize it as per your desire and sell it at your own price. This is a jackpot. Your sale conversions will peak like never before, as this product is something that you haven't seen anywhere. Matrix AI Mastery with unrestricted private label rights. Matrix AI Mastery with unrestricted PLR is a comprehensive product that has been professionally crafted. It includes an ebook, a cheat sheet, and a mind map, precisely what can provide an immense boost to your sales. This is a comprehensive product that will put an end to all your problems, the ultimate tool that empowers your enterprise to soar to new heights. Monetize Matrix AI Mastery like never before. Sell, rebrand, and modify the product. The choice is yours. You're equipped to tap into multiple revenue streams, boosting your financial growth. You're going to get your hands on a professionally written ebook on Matrix AI Network. With unrestricted PLR, you're not just receiving a product, you're gaining a lucrative business asset. Customize the product as you see fit and set the price that aligns with your business goals. This means you're in complete control of your profit margins. So, don't wait and grab this fantastic market-leading, top-notch product ASAP. Because this is a time-sensitive opportunity. Remember, you're running out of time. The price of this gem product will surge soon. Take this opportunity before everybody else and stand out from the crowd. So, secure your spot now.
Hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that. You don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming hot reviews and some of my exclusive bonuses. Please like and make comments and let me know how I'm doing. Go ahead and get the product now before the price rises.